Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 Edition 140 TFSI Quattro with the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning ultra blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With the 2-litre petrol engine, you get 261 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finish in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork, making those optional red brake calipers stand out and tying in with the gloss black styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 550 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and with the rear seats folded down you get 1,550 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in full Napa leather for maximum luxury, and on the comfort front we have the centre armrest with dual cup holders and tri-zone climate control for the rear passengers. On the outer rear seats you will find the Isofix points where you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the 360-degree camera system so you know you're never going to dink that precious paintwork when parking. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in your car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.